So there's Grant working on a Kichler. A little turbo or Westinghouse swirl or whatever those called, just needs the glass. So, not a whole lot new back here. That Hunter's still there, that turn of the century's still there, that's new. Don't know what's in there. There's two Emerson designers in there. I moved the little Thomases over here. Put out this little CEC. Put out this Encon. Put out that Hampton Bay. Put out that CEC. That Thomas is still here. Here's the same as the Emerson. There's two in the boxes. Two White Hunters. The Brone is still here. That's still here. So I had to rewire this so that it could be used without a remote, but it actually can go out without a remote. I just had to hardwire the light directly to the yellow and blue wires. So we put two fans here that sold right after we put them out. One was an ornate pewter hunter. It looked like the Art Nouveau or the Covent Garden, but it had 5 blades. Sold for $40 the second we put it out. Then I put out an SMC, and if it's still by the register, I'll show you. A little Hampton Bay with the palm leaf blades. $40 sold as soon as we got there. Quorum's still here. Whatever generic thing that is still here. Let's see here. Let's see if the woman already paid for it, but I think she's still shopping. Yep, there it is. So I'll show you. Yep, already sold. Right here. Okay. Thanks for watching.